There are 5 factors that determine if your communication is effective or not. The first is the words you use. Words have weight. They can open doors or close them in seconds. The second is how you speak. Your tone, your pauses, your intonation, all of that transmits more than the words themselves. The third is your gestures, your hands, your posture, your movements. They communicate before you open your mouth. The fourth is your facial expressions. One look can say more than 1,000 words. And the fifth is your paraverbal communication. Volume, rhythm, silence. Everything adds or subtracts in every conversation. Mastering these 5 factors is what separates an ordinary person from someone truly influential. At Elite Mind, we will train each one. Subscribe. The best is yet to come.